It is mentioned that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Talkhis al-Ma'arif and in في المجالس المكية والعقد الثمين, page 30 and 27, it is mentioned that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said to one wali, as-Sakhawi, when he saw in the dream Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, Ya Rasulullah, if someone prays you, what benefit he will get? What reward you reward him? He said, Man salla alayya ta'ziman, whoever praise me with praise my high level that Allah has given to me, to show happiness toward me, Allah will create from this world an angel, has one wing in Mashriq, in east, one wing in west, and his head under the throne, like that, bowing under the throne. And Allah ordered that angel, Salli ala abdi, praise my servant because he praised my beloved one Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. فَهُوَ يُصَلِّي إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ, and that angels will be praising Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam until the day of judgment, and it's written for you because you praise Prophet. In Kashf al-Ghumma, it's very famous to Abdul Wahhab al-Sha'rani book, page 27, he said, ما من عبد يصلي علي حبا, that Prophet ﷺ said to a wali in a dream, anyone who prays me out of love, Allah will create that angel that has wing in east and west. He goes, order him to go dive in water one time, comes out, move his wings, and wherever drops comes from his wings, I create angels that making salawat on my Prophet, and all of that will be written to that person. Prophet in the hadith says, الصلاة علي أمحق للخطايا من الماء للنار. Praises on me are stronger to put down sins more than the water can put down fire. Means in one time we say Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad wa sallim, is amhaqu lil khataya, means it erases all sins that we have done. O Muslims, Allah gave us a way to save ourselves and for the Ummah to save itself.